Hey folks, this is Matthew with Riverponics coming to you again. I'm gonna show you how to make a solution using food grade peroxide and baking soda with water to treat powder mildew. I have a squash plant that has got the powder mildew, which is a pretty common affair when it comes to zucchini and squash and that, but you can see all the powdery mildew that's developed on the leaves. And what I'm going to do is actually get rid of this plant, I think, maybe, but it's still producing. You know, it's hitting the ground now. There's a little one starting there. More flowers, but yeah, I definitely have the powdery mildew going on, and what it's doing is migrating to my cucumber plant. You can see the white spots on the leaves developing. So I'm going to treat this, and I'll show you how to make a gallon of the solution to treat it. You see my cucumbers are still coming in, just by the droves actually. Look, oh, there's 3 right there. Big one up there, a couple big ones. A few of them up there. Look at my tomato plants though, man. It's over 8 foot tall. I'm gonna have to put my 3rd cage up, or 4th cage actually. So we're looking at going 12 foot here in the next month on this tomato plant. Very impressive. Look at all those jalapenos on there. Alright, so to the drawing board. We're using food grade peroxide. Alright, this stuff is absolutely amazing, and also known as H2O2, oxygen plus water. And this is an awesome pamphlet brochure, and if you contact me and you're interested, I can email this to you, kind of thing, you know. But here's a health note: foodborne illnesses from fruits, vegetables, meats, fish, and poultry due to bacteria, fungus, or parasites are a little publicized problem. Soaking in a solution of 3% hydrogen peroxide can help kill these bad guys and also help remove pesticide residue that lingers on your produce. So pretty cool stuff. This has so many health benefits as well as other things. But so this is, like I said, 35% food grade peroxide. There's a company called Eagle Enterprise out of Whitney, Texas, and they have a reputable product. And one way of knowing if you have a good product is, it's kind of hard to see, but you get the stuff on your finger, the 35%, and it'll turn your skin white and actually have a burning sensation. So there's a little spot right there. It's white. I got some on my finger making a gallon of 3%. Okay, so how do you make 3%? To make 3% H2O2, mix 1 ounce of 35% food grade to 11 ounces of distilled water or filtered water. Alright. Now your store-bought peroxide, they put additives in there, okay? So it's like a dirty peroxide. So you want the food grade. That's what you're shooting for. And I got the powdery mildew, so we're going to flip over here and we're going to look at how to make a fungus mildew control for vegetables. And so now that you made your 3%, okay, 1 ounce to 11 ounces of water. Now you're going to take 5 tablespoons of baking soda and 5 tablespoons of your 3% hydrogen peroxide to 1 gallon of water. All right, that is it. It's that simple. So I made a gallon of this stuff, put it in a spray bottle, and now I'm going to start treating the powdery mildew on my cucumber plant and the squash. And I'll keep you updated of how this works out. But you can see crop spray. You can even give this to your pets as drinking water, insect spray, seed sprouting. Put this stuff in your hot tub. There's so many benefits to hydrogen peroxide. All right, take care. See ya.